Otambe ase wizara yobochenu ouma olunga nigasabire serikali chechi county kwangoya emeroberio yokobwatoka emeroberio yokorikwa kwa abanyagitari inse emeroberio UHC okwana ase oboseko kwana ase county ya Mombasa ekerogio koumerana kwa bawaziri bobochenu kurwa ase chi county chionsi omorikio yobotambe olunga nigatebire aya nigagocha kobwatekana no koumerana igati wizara yobochenu amo nekiombekeri gya Council of Governors abo baigwananete koringoria okorikwa kwa abanyagitari abo koreng'ana nekiombe giokoringoria emeshara kia SRC.
The council agreed, and Katra, you should support me in this. The council agreed that we are going to pay the UHC staff as per SRC rates. True or false? And we at the Ministry of Health have the money. But the contracts are with the county public service boards. Are they with the county governments? Let me say that. All right. So I don't know whether this requires county public service boards or just chief officers, but the contract has to reflect that for the remaining part of the contract, you will be paid at SRC rates. Just on the UHC, I know that the council already met and there were discussions and there were agreements around the UHC staff. But two things still remain. One is we would like the CCs to help us with initiating the process so that the county public service boards could alter the contracts.
When change comes in, and I can tell you, I'm an expert in change management. That is not how you implement change. You must implement change in a certain way. There are certain things you must do to implement change. But having said that, we need EGPS. Regardless of the fact that the change has not been managed properly. And therefore, it is going to create a lot of problems. No one is safe. Not me, not the Auditor General, not Parliament. Everybody is involved. Now, so what must we do? We must make the best of a bad situation.